Hello, welcome to another MTS Trades video. In today's play, I made around 424.90. Let's go with the um, money we've made, and I'll show you where we took a hit and why I took a hit. So today, the USD JPY was looking pretty promising. Why? Because overall the trend was bullish in it, and I was gonna give the play around the New York session open, around 1:15. Then I went to check because I don't want to trade news and the high fluctuations, even though we ended up hitting three TPs, but I closed into at break even, but we ended up closing below our entry. So I'll show you into the market first what happened. So as you guys can see here, we had the TP marked out, and then the news came in after 15 minutes, and boom, we ended up hitting our three TPs. However, I just want to mark out that we had a profit in the GJ long. We had trims. So we open our trade. Let me just show you the chart. So the reason we took this trade was it's like overall we had a bullish, we had a market going up, and we have a break of structure. We had an uptrend, right? And we have a break of structure on 15 minute, we have a break of structure on a 1 hour, and of course on a 4 hour we had an uptrend, and it was pretty, I was pretty confident on it. And if you look on the higher time frame, right, the market was actually bearish, making lower lows, lower highs. And we look on a 4 hour, market was going, market was actually bearish if you look from here, but if you come closer near like our range, it's making higher highs, higher lows. So I entered off of after the market opened right here. As you guys can see, I entered off of this candle on a 5 minute, right? And after that, we ended up hitting our first TP around here. Okay, and then we got stopped out at the break even. So we entered on 184. I entered on 184.207, and we ended up coming out at break even, which is 184.2835. After that, let's go to the other account. We ended up making $339.03. After commission, we made $304.03. So we entered this one on the 184.196, and we closed and came out on a break even at 184.296. So the lesson and the reason I was actually out of sight, and I'll show you in the Discord as well when I gave the trade. I gave the trade around quarter to, yeah, what's that? 13, 14. So I gave around quarter to three at like 40 past two. Okay. And then our first, I adjusted stop loss because the TPs were pretty far. Because I marked them on the 1 hour liquidity. Then I've marked the first one on 15 minute. And then we ended up hitting our first TP around quarter to four, I assume, right? So 13, 14, 15. Yeah, so quarter to four, we ended up hitting over TP1, and then we got stopped out on a break even around what? Yeah, around like right after like 10 past, like we hit that. So you guys might be wondering like why we didn't trade the past 2 days, and why there were not videos. So the reason is clear. The market was choppy, as you guys can see here. I'll go on the hourly, that'll be more clear. No trade zone. If you guys haven't watched the course, you'll see this is a no trade zone for me. Okay, no trade zone. Okay, no trade zone for me. Right, no trade zone, no trade zone, and no trade zone. Actually, yesterday, hypothetically, when we were scanning the market, we ended up almost going into the drawdown and hit the stop loss when somebody recommended in the community to go long. So also, this guy is actually killing it. He had back tested and it's working out for him. So as you guys can see, yesterday I just sent this into the Discord that saying, okay, we were waiting, nothing was happening, it was choppy, and then right around like 5:30 or 6, we had a rally to the upside, sweeping the 1 hour liquidity. So this guy started after getting the course, this guy actually started understanding the SMC, the concept that you guys need to know and are easy to get the entries and actually have better scanning of the market. So yeah, so far he's killing it. As you can see, he had posted so far 2 plays, and this was live today. He took a trade live into the London session, and he ended up like hitting almost last TP on the GJ trade. So yeah, guys, if you guys have not checked out the shop and want to join the community, so it's $10 a month, and the course is £20. You'll get a YouTube link for hour-long video in which I'll discuss the fair value gap, breakup structure, equilibrium, order block, entries, stop losses, and much more. So thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys in another video. Take care.